Kit Select. Build the drum kit of your dreams by choosing from 27 different kit pieces. From tight and focused to boomy and huge, the possibilities are endless. Drums can be auditioned and selected in the Kit Select area. This is also where the pitch, envelope and MIDI dynamics can be adjusted. These parameters are individually controllable on each separate kit piece for maximum command of your drum sound. Mixer, effects. 12 individually controllable close, overhead and room mic channels with full bleed controls allow you to mix the audio just as if you had recorded it yourself. It sounds real because it is real. Load up a great sounding drum mix with presets created entirely using the internal mixer and effects, no additional plugins required. Each channel can be multi-output routed to individual DAW channels in all popular recording software with our included templates. Midi Grooves. Not a drummer? Look no further than our included Midi Groove library. Maas Signature Series drums comes with a large library of customized drum grooves to get you started. Audition within the interface and then simply drag and drop to your DAW's timeline. The grooves will automatically conform to the tempo of your song. It's perfect for demos or for jamming. Custom Keymap. Our customizable key mapping page makes working with alternate MIDI mappings and electronic drum kits fast and easy. Maas Signature Series drums comes with Keymap presets for many of the most popular software drum instruments built in.